in the west of India. It's time for Kartik and Izzy to discover if the leopard cub has been found by her mother.
I don't know, I'm just gonna cry if she's not been taken. I don't want this little thing to live in captivity for the rest of her lives. Let's see what's there.
Let's see. We'll just take a look from here. Wow, our structure looks relatively undisturbed.
Nothing has pushed any of the bricks over.
Which is good. But,
yeah.
And I don't see anything inside.
I'm getting a good feeling already.
Let's see.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, that's what we want.
So your idea was right. I'm so glad.
Everything's sort of working in our favor today.
It means so much to us for all the effort that we put in that this cub has gone back to her mother, which is her rightful place. Let's check all the camera traps.
The camera traps automatically record when their motion-activated sensors are triggered.
Oh, no, no, no. Oh my goodness.
Oh
no. The first of the cameras show the cub escaping.
This is the worst outcome.
This is really bad.
Let's see if there's any other footage.
The other cameras may tell a different story.
There she is.
That's definitely a leopard.
Can you see the mother?
And here you can
see her walking in the far edge.
Oh, here she is again.
She's probably stopping here because she's smelling the cub there. And she picked it up. Can you believe that? Look at how careful she is. Isn't that incredible? She's not wandered away, which is a huge relief.
Yeah, she'll be happy and live her life. This is amazing news. Yeah.
Absolutely, absolutely. See the video, sir? I am so relieved that, we were able to get the cub back with its mother.
See what spooked